Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed 7th semester. We will discuss the topic rating scale. Rating means measuring an attribute of objects or persons by judgment in a continuum. For example, school marks or grades, performance appraisals, rating of an employee in an organization. Rating scale is a device by which judgments may be qualified or an opinion concerning a trait can be analyzed. Rating scale is a tool in which the one person simply checks of another person's level of performance. How to constructions rating scale. Each trait to be rated should be clearly defined and explained with specific instance. Various intervals or points on the scale should be clearly defined. Usually 5 to 7 intervals are used in rating traits, attitudes and other sentiments. Types of rating scales: nominal scales, ordinal scales, interval scales and ratio scales. Numerical rating scales, graphic rating scales, descriptive rating scales and percentage rating scales. Firstly, numerical scales. Numerical rating scales are the easiest to construct and apply to the objects, persons and events etc. to be rated. In numerical scale, the observer's or rater is supplied with a sequences of number which is well defined, and his task is to rate the objects on the given sequence of numbers on the basis of his impressions. Numerical rating scales, seen these plates. Examples. Second, graphic rating scales. In this scale, the performance is printed horizontally at various points from lowest to highest. Descriptive rating scales does not use number but divide the assignments into assessment into service of verbal phrases to indicate the level of performance. Next, percentage rating scales. Percentage rating is done whenever the investigators want a quick rating with maximum uniformity from rather to rathers. The technique requires the rather to place the rates among different specified percentage groups or into different percentage or quartiles such as given below. Descriptive rating scales, it does not use number but divide the assessment into series of verbal phrases to indicate the level of performance. Usage of rating scales to evaluate skills, product outcomes, activities, interest, attitudes, personal and characteristics. Advantage of rating scales: easy to administer and score, wide range of applications. Graphic rating scale is easier to make and less time consuming, easily used for large groups and also used for quantitative methods. may also be used for assessment of interest, attitudes and personal characteristics used to evaluate performance and skills. Rating scales are adaptable and flexible research instruments. Disadvantage of rating scales: it is difficult to fix up rating about many aspects of an individual's. Misuse can result in decrease in objectivity and there are chances of subjective evaluations. Thus the scales may become unscientific and unreliable. Okay students, and thank you.